Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum YouTube team. My name is Z and I am the creator of the channel Z Wise. This is my only daughter Bisma Maroof. I am appealing your discussion regarding monetization rejection. I want to clarify that all the content on my channel is 100% original and self created. I do the voice over and recording myself. All videos are written, edited, and narrated by me. No reused or copied content has been uploaded. I have only watched other videos for inspiration and learning but never copied anything. मैं YouTube का हर हाल में हिस्सा बनना चाहती हूँ. मेरी बिस्मा फ्यूचर की यूट्यूबर बने ये मेरा ड्रीम है. मेरी चैनल पर मेरी वीडियोस मेरी मेहनत का मुंह बोलता सबूत हैं. माई गोल इज़ शेयर authentic Islamic content with original presentation and commentary. Kindly review my channel again. I am sure you will find the content complies with all policies. Thank you so much for your time and for providing creators like us this opportunity. Never forget my sweet daughter Bisma. इंशाल्लाह ताला बिस्मा यूट्यूब का हिस्सा बनेगी. Thanks a lot.